If you're in the Orlando, Florida, Central Florida area, you need a plumber, call Plumbing and Air by Tom, 407-375-1100. Prompt 24/7. Emergency service is available.
My,
what on earth did they use?
God, it smells like shit. Oh,
man. This is going directly into there. The flange on the disposal. I'm gonna have to cut that. Because I need a new arm coming out of the disposal. It's all rotted out. Look at that. Yeah. It broke right out of there. Oh, man.
oh man, F my life.
Yeah, 3/4 horsepower. Batch feed?
No, we gotta switch.
Looks like I'm gonna have to do a. Ooh, look at this. Didn't even notice the trap like that. How it goes up to go down. So the trap is this whole piece here now.
Time for a new disposal.
You don't have any more. You don't have any more Mega Press fittings in your truck, right?
No,
Because we need a 3/4 by 3/4 by 3/4 T.
it's in there.
The one in there is 1 by 3.
There's no full 3/4 T's in there?
No.
Oh, it sucks.
Alright, I dropped the disposal. Used the 5/16 driver, loosen up the garbage disposal. I mean, the dishwasher drain. It really stinks pretty bad. It's nasty. It stinks horribly. Now we're gonna drop the strainer assembly, the basket assembly.
Gonna use my flat screwdriver, loosen up these 3 screws holding on the sink flange.
You're stubborn, clip you. There we go. Wow. Oh, they use silicone? Yeah, they sure did. Alright, the new sink flange is here. I loosened up all of the screws. And we're going to take this little retaining ring out of the way. Okay, so this is underneath, followed by that. And then we have this, the putty, the sink, this ring, and then the reassembly of the sink flange.
Now she's fun. Wrap it around the sink flange, push that bad boy down.
Ah, lost a screw. Alright, retention ring is in. Let's tighten down the 3 screws that hold the sink flange together and tighten. And if we over tighten this, that retention ring is going to pop out. We don't want that to happen. Beautiful.
Since we're using the dishwasher, I gotta knock out that little connection in there. I just used my screwdriver to knock it out. Took it out. You don't want to leave that in there. It'll spin around the side and no bueno. Alright, let's have some fun. Let's spin this bad boy on there. Come on, mama. Come on. Yeah. Easy peasy. Ain't she so pretty? She pretty. I gotta do the electric.
All right. A lot of work here, but kept the trap, cleaned that out, put a piece of 1.25" rough brass there, inch and a half rough brass tailpiece there, 1.5" rough brass slip T, dishwasher tailpiece because I didn't have a flange tailpiece, so we'll cap this off. Came down off the incinerator, the waistband. It's the 18-inch one. Cut that a little short and reconnected it. Only thing left to do is the electric. Time for the dump test. Make sure we got nothing leaking. Had a little leak there, so I had to undo it and throw some Pro Dope on it. It was leaking right there. We're looking good. Kept the existing trap. I didn't want to mess with the drain, the 2-inch PVC going to the wall. So we kept that, and granted now we have more trappage. The weir of the trap is now up here. All right, she looks good. Let's fill up the primary sink.